Hey, everyone! Today I'm excited to share this review of the Foodi 10-quart DualZone air fryer. This multitasking air fryer is packed with features that make cooking for my family a breeze. One of my favorite things is the two separate cooking zones that work independently. Each zone has its own basket, heating element and fan, so I can air fry chicken wings in one while roasting veggies in the other. No more waiting around for different foods to finish. The extra-large 5-quart baskets give me tons of room to cook big batches. I can easily fit a 6-pound chicken in one basket. Between both zones, I get an impressive 10 quarts of capacity. Now, this isn't just an air fryer. There are 6 built-in smart programs like roast, bake, and dehydrate that turn this into a true multi-cooker. The roast function makes juicy meats with crispy exteriors by combining high heat with super convection fans. Here's where it gets really smart. The integrated thermometer and smart cook system let me choose my desired doneness level from rare to well done. It monitors the food's temp and lets me know exactly when to flip or remove the food for perfect results every time. When I'm cooking different foods in each zone, DualZone technology helps sync cook times so everything finishes at the same time with Smart Finish. Or I can use Match Cook to copy settings like temp and time across both zones. Minimal oil is needed to get crispy fries and wings thanks to the hot cyclonic air. This makes air frying much healthier than deep frying. And dehydrating couldn't be easier for homemade fruit rolls and jerky. After cooking, the non-stick baskets pop right out and can be tossed in the dishwasher, along with the plates. Wiping down the exterior stainless steel is a breeze. While it's bigger than average, this smart DualZone design is worth the counter space for my family. So if you're looking to upgrade your air frying game with generous capacity and smart programs, be sure to check out the Foodi 10-quart DualZone air fryer. I give it my seal of approval.